Hello, in this video we will see how to use workflow counter. So the most common use of workflow counter is whenever I want to generate a unique ID for every time my bot or my automation is run, I can use workflow counter. So here we'll go to workflow counter first. So in initial value I am taking 1 here. This will be the value from which the counter will start. In operation there are two options, increment or decrement. I am taking increment here. Now change value by, I can set any number here. I am again using 1 here. In reset value on each execution, I want unique IDs to be generated here, so I am taking this as false. And reset counter when reaches to, I can set a maximum limit here, but I am not doing that here. We will run and save this. Now in next step, for example, I want to send a template message and I want to mention my ID that is generated for that particular customer, so I will use final value here.